Sorry about that. Okay. As you can see, the wind is still very, very hard. Sand is just still picking up. The sand is hot. It's hard to step on it even. I made this little spot so we could eat without our food getting sandy. We've got candy, Starburst, Mambas. We've got a cinnamon roll. We've got a cinnamon roll. We've got cheese. Not very much of that left. We've got 2 bottles of water. Newspaper to start a fire. Bubble gum. An old cinnamon roll. We've got this blanket, my shoes, and a Coke bottle. Just a little bit left. We're saving that 4 times that we really need it. And binoculars. That doesn't work. Okay, and we've got flashlight. Starburst once again. These are my clothes here. We've got 2 lighters and a dull knife and a bottle opener. This thing that is broken there. Every time you try to use it, just stands back, so that thing's pretty much useless. Another water bottle there.
Crab claw for cutting.
A crab claw for cutting. And I'm tired, so I'm gonna take a nap.
Me too.